what is the difference between research and participatory research? The difference between research and participatory research is that the researcher plans and implements the entire process in research, and in participatory research people are involved, community is involved from the beginning in the entire process. Then in research, the researcher or the NGO or the scientist is the only decision maker. But in participatory research, people also take part in meetings, people also understand the process, and people also are involved in decision making at all stages in the research. Then the research is the exercise that does not ensure empowerment of the community. But in participatory research, because people are involved in the entire process, they are involved in collecting data, they are involved in conducting meetings, they are involved in analyzing the data. So that leads to their empowerment, they build some capacities, and they may also come out with the plan where they want to make change in the community. And research is mainly based on quantitative data, and participatory research, because it is communication with people and communication with certain groups and observation and many other tools are used, participatory research is based on more qualitative data, and which becomes a unique thing for any research.